Anyhow, I'm Chef Tom, making steak today. This is 2 inches ribeye, grass fed. I put half stick butter and then just salt, pepper. You need to put generously of the salt, okay? I'm gonna pan sear this for maybe 4 to 5 minutes, medium cast iron, medium heat, and flip both sides and then put in the oven 350, maybe for 6-7 minutes. I like my inner temperature, say about 118, and let them rest, so it's like a medium rare for me. Beautiful steak. I'm cooking short grain rice, sticky rice. You can follow my YouTube channel. Many ways to teach you how to make rice. Rice and steak. I make this special tea for my anti-inflammation. Alright, now put it inside. 118 degree. I took it out, let them rest for 10 minutes. This is homemade, special paste. Minced ginger, minced garlic, cilantro, green onion, soy sauce, little bit oil, hoisin sauce, and miso paste. Got it? Sesame oil, and put it in the jar. That's what they look like. Got this rice right here, and the steak. Perfect. Flavor of the rice. Another piece. Ooh. Asian cannot live without the rice. Wow. So delicious. Salt pepper steak with the miso paste and the rice. I'm training, gotta eat good. This is the way I do it. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. I see you next time. Bye.